this is the demo for Masada Cycle Kit 7, Kit 3, Analog versus AI. Let's go to the next. All right, so now on 18, there's no sample here, but this right here was a throwback to like what I grew up on, like Tribe Called Quest or whatever. You know what I mean? So basically I included like these very lo-fi, you know, vintage sounding bass samples here. Now you have this kick here. So say if you want to add a little bit more oomph to those kicks, you go here to the effects process, you go to the bassy, and we just add a whole bunch more oomph to that. You know what I mean? Okay, so let's go to the next program. All right. Okay, so let's demo the next program. And like I said, all of these are royalty free. You can use them, chop them up, do whatever you want. It's fine. I mean, you just get, just off the loops alone, guys, these things gonna give you plenty of inspiration. All right, so you know what I mean? All right. So here we have 3 royalty-free loops. That right there, that's just a vocal sample. Alright. So this is the last program of this part. Alright, thank you. Head to thecyclekit.com. Love and respect y'all. As always. One.